Weintraub, and today we're going to draw a simple structure in two-point perspective. The supplies you'll need are a ruler, I like this 1-inch wide T-square, a pencil, an eraser, and a piece of paper. The first step is to take a ruler and measure from the bottom of the page that you're going to be drawing on about halfway up the page and put a dot. Do the same exact measurement on the other side, right at the edge of the page, and put a dot. Then you need to draw a line, a horizontal line, across the page connecting the dots. You need to draw lightly with your pencil. These 2 points on either side of this line are called vanishing points. I'm going to put VP here just to remind you, vanishing points. This line that you drew across your page, this horizontal line, is called horizon line. The first line that we're going to draw vertically on this structure is the center line, because this line is the part of the structure that is closest to the viewer. So you'll take your T-square again, and about in the center of the page, you're going to draw a line that is going to split this horizon. This will represent this line. Now draw a dot at the top and the bottom of this line and connect these dots to the vanishing point. So you're connecting these points to the vanishing point. The lines that go to the vanishing point on this side, this line that goes to the vanishing point is called orthogonal line. You're going to do the same for the lines going to the vanishing point on this side of your line. And this I usually call the reference line. Now I'm going to draw this line. To draw this line, I'm just going to come over as far as you want to make the front of your building here. But you don't want to get too close to the vanishing point, so you don't want to make it too wide. And then I'm going to come over here and make this one a little bit closer. You want to make sure that these lines that go vertically are parallel to the edge of your paper. T-squares help that. Now I want to find the peak of this roof. To find the peak of the roof, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to draw an X to find the intersection where the center lies. So I'm going to draw an X here. I'm drawing a little bit heavier with my pencil so that you can see it, but you'll probably want to draw lighter. Now, right where these lines intersect, where this X, where these two diagonal lines intersect, that is the center of this side. Now I want to go straight up from the center, and you can make the peak of your roof as tall as you want. And now I'm going to draw a line that goes through these two dots and overhangs slightly from here. I'll do the same thing on this side. Now I need to draw the other side of the roof. So now I've got this part drawn. I need to draw this side. And these two lines are parallel. So I'm going to take my ruler like this, and I'm going to slide it over, keeping the same angle, and I'm going to draw a line. Now I need the slant of the roof here and here. Both this line and this line are going to go to the vanishing point. So I'm going to connect the dots once again. drew the line all the way so that you can see that it goes to the vanishing point, but in a moment I'm going to erase some of those lines. And now I'm going to draw the bottom of this roof line. Okay, now I'm going to erase the lines that I no longer need, and you'll see this starting to take shape. So now I'm going to draw the doorway that's located right here. And to draw this doorway, you do not measure this and try to find the center, because we know that this is now the center. It's an optical illusion, but as you can see, if I measured like between these two lines to find the center, it won't be in the same place. I want to come just as far over from the center this way as I do this way. Now I'm going to draw a vertical line, and it's really your discretion as to how wide you make your barn door, if it's going to be a barn door. And now this, I'm going to go from here, from the line closest to the reference line, I'm going to go to the vanishing point to get the top of the door. I don't have to, see it goes all the way to the vanishing point. I don't have to draw the bottom of the door because it's already there. Now, if you want to add trim or anything like that, that's up to you. I just wanted to show you how that's drawn. Now I want to draw the window. Trim or anything else that you put on here needs to go to the vanishing point. I want to show you one more thing, and that is if you were going to put boards, if the boards were horizontal that are on this is how to make those boards. Then I'll go up this reference line and put a dot at every 1/4 of an inch all the way up. And then I've got these, they're going to start in the same place, but all of these dots are going to go to the vanishing point. So all the slats on this side are going to go to the right vanishing point. And all of the slats or horizontal lines to the left of this reference line are going to go, of course, to the left vanishing point. If I had vertical slats on here on the top, like I kind of put those here, these do not need to go to the vanishing points. But if I made a sign, the top and the bottom of the sign and the words as well, the letters as well, will also go to the vanishing point. So that's a simple 2-point perspective.